good, YouTube? It's your boy SS back, and we back again with another video. And today we'll be doing a fire ass POV, no traction. You see the roads is wet, so we might get a little sideways. Y'all stay tuned. I'm finna give y'all guys a little cold start, and then we'll get this video rolling. Let's do it. This bad boy up. Hell yeah. He said they couldn't save him. And that's on my baby. See this speed bump right here, chat. Yeah, that bitch crazy. Yeah, this motherfucker crazy. That motherfucker crazy. That motherfucker butter, chat. I'm telling you. That motherfucker butter. That motherfucker butter, chat. That motherfucker butter. That motherfucker butter. This is yeah, truck fucked me up because I knew it'd get sideways for sure. I knew it'd get sideways for sure. Yeah, we're gonna hit that right. Yeah, guys, a quick little walk around of my Camaro. You hear me? Yeah, as y'all can see. As y'all can see. Y'all, check out the nice little view. Oh my God, don't she look sick, chat? Oh my God, don't she look sick? Right? Oh yeah. Hell yeah, give y'all a nice little walk around. And then if you ain't following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. If you hear me. Black Mafia, the move. Yeah, you hear me? Y'all hear the sauce? Hell yeah. Tight shit, some cool shit. Yeah, you hear me? Like I said, look at the view, chat. Where are we right now? We in Mexico. You know what I'm saying? I had to turn on my eyes because I already spent all traffic logs. That's just who I am. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna slap that seatbelt on. And then we go drive, We're gonna drive. Y'all in .5. You feel me? Oh, she said I'm beautiful. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. Dog in that bit. Dog in that bit, bro. bro. I'm not doing nothing. Is he gonna toot that big? Is he chat? I'm holding the phone with my fists. Oh, that motherfucker my fist, bro. I hope y'all can see, chat. I can't lock. I gotta lock here. I hope y'all got some good footage. I'm gonna pick y'all back up. Y'all shit. Y'all shit. Y'all shit. I'm just letting Bill speak for itself while I drink my slush. Ma'am. That. Yeah. And we're back. We're back in chat. Y'all know what I'm saying? Y'all see, we got these motherfuckers out, bro. We outside, small town. Success. Everybody very success. The owner just said we cool, we could park here. You know what I'm saying? It's a good move, but hopefully we can drive to the city, because if we do, yeah, shit gonna be lit. You know what I'm saying?